What up, PM gang, man? Just got off work, man, on my way to the crib. Unboxing number 2 today. I had 2 packages. Unboxed the first one yesterday, wrapped the 4s. This is package number 2. Now, I should have had these like a week ago, but for whatever reason, FedEx do not fuck with me. Like, I don't know what the fuck I did to FedEx, but they don't fuck with me. They stole my Puma Thunder Spectrums. I never got that. I never got them. So I missed out on them. I have to pay resale now. Missed out on them. And now they lost the package. Well, I don't know. They lost the package somewhere. Then they found it after I called them. So they had delivered it. So now, here I am. Finna unbox it when I should have had it. I bought this package on the fucking, like, the 15th or the 16th, something like that. I bought this package like early. No, it was before then. I forgot, but I should have got it last week when everybody else got theirs, but I didn't. But enough all the fucking talking. Finna go ahead and go to the crib, man. Once again, man, what's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? In the crib. Got off, had to relax, chill. I still ain't walked my dog yet, and it's getting dark outside, so I gotta hurry up, you know. Shit happens at nighttime around here. You feel me? But finna go to the shoe room, man. Let y'all see what I got. Should have been there to review a while ago, but man, let's get straight into it. Fuck it. What's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all. Like I said, this video should have been out last week. This video should have been out last week, but FedEx don't fuck with me. They don't fuck with me. Like, seriously. They lost this package last week, and now I hit up fucking Just Done, and they like, oh, well, you know, this is the tracking number, and woo, this, that, and the third, and I don't know if they hit up FedEx or whatever happened. The shit ended up coming like literally right after I emailed Just Done and I called FedEx and all that shit. It literally came the next day. Like, it was just sitting somewhere chilling, just waiting for me to forget the shit. But, man, let's get into this late-ass package. This late-ass unboxing, rather. So, man, y'all already know what it is. If y'all don't, then that's even better. But, damn, how the fuck they even wrap this shit up, bro? Oh, okay. I already cut it. Like I said, this was the only one out of this collection that I actually really wanted. And bling, blah, bird, the box, Just Done. Receipt right there. Do it got my address on it? Yes, it does. Let me see, can I fold that up out of that, B? Yeah, man, all that good shit, man. Just Done, okay? Just Done receipt, bling, blah, bird on the box. This is actually the first box that don't have that bent up corner right here. You see that there? Wing all the way around. Wing Jordan logo. Jordan right here on the top. And these are the Air Jordan Legacy 312 NRGs. Colorway on this is white, hot lava, black, Zen, gray. There you go right there. Okay. Fuck it up. Ooh, these boys smell fire. Bling, blow, bird on the shoe. Little bitty beat. Ooh. I've been waiting on these for a minute, bro. These is fucking, and I can't do the right shoe because they got the tag on there. They changed the shit up, man. But fuck it. Spell lace system, of course. There y'all go. Man, I fucks with these. I knew these. I'll probably get those green ones too. I like them green ones too. I'm not gonna lie. But let me get all that full 360 view. of the shoe all the way around. Y'all see that swoosh right there? Wow, that swoosh changed color. That pussy got some power. Ugh, hold on. Let me see this. There we go. Get that shit right, bro. These right here dope. My dog is whining in the back because he ready to go for a walk. He like, nigga, you taking too long. He ready to go. He ready to go. Now let's get into the shoe. Let me take this shit out. There we go. I fucks with this shoe all the way. Ooh, they didn't. Okay, smells good. Get straight into the toe box. Now, what I noticed about this toe box right here, it's not actually, it's buttery, but it's not like the Just Done's back here. It's not like them back here. This pair right here is not like them. It's buttery though. It's buttery, but it's not like them. It's not tumbled. Don't really have that soft touch like the ones back there. But it does have like it's a soft feel to it, but it's not buttery like them back there. I can honestly say that off the first little few touches I done had. It's definitely not like them. Strap, you got the all black strap. You got the black strap with that hot lava, which is really like a hot pink. I mean, lava is kind of like, it ain't all the way red. It got some different colors in it. But this is really like a hot pink low-key though. All the way through. Low-key really is a hot pink. And on the wing side of the shoe, you have the Air Jordan wing logo. You have that hot lava or hot pink swoosh. All white. That cement print. Now this pair, I want to say this is more detailed than the other two. Like you can actually like almost put your nail through the cement print in this pair. White wing logo. The hot lava coming down on the shoe. Mud guard transition from black to white midsole, all white midsole. AirPods in the inside of them, all white. Cocaine, everything. Nah. These is dope. Standard Jordan 1 lace system going on. Aglets, hot pink. Nothing special on the lace tips. Regular lace tips. And on this side of the shoe, hot lava on the back heel area from the mud guard transition from black to white. Elephant print again. You can see the difference. Like it's more detailed on here. It's real detailed. Like you can hear that shit. All white midsole. Nothing on this side, of course. And on the heel you have Air Jordan. Nothing behind it. Mesh upper. I really fucks with these. They should have let them put that little off-white shit on there with the strap flaps that come out. That would have been nice. You have that Zen gray. I guess that's what the swoosh is too. Zen gray. I think that was the colorway for the gray hints in it. Let me see. Yeah, Zen gray. They didn't put some Chinese shit in there. On the bottom, of course, you have that Jordan 3. Jordan 3. Jordan 3. Yeah, midsole. The midsole and the outsole is all this all the way to here is Jordan 3. The mold of the shoe and the cement print, but the mold, like the actual shoe that you really see, is the Jordan 1. Of course, everybody have already went through the gist of the shoe, but you know that goes with everything. Oh yeah, another dope part about the shoe. What Nike Air is supposed to be, or the Jumpman symbol, you have Just Done, and this one, Just is in black, Done is in white for the different swooshes. I mean, not white, but that Zen gray. My bad. And the tag is actually in the Hot Lava colorway, which is real dope. The bottom, you have it kind of look like it don't even look like it's gray, but it's gray. It's predominantly gray. You have the Hot Lava colorway on these on the front pod. This is actually everything is kind of blending in on the bottom, but this is actually white with the Hot Lava colorway on the Jordan. The Jordan on the bottom. And my honest opinion about the shoe, y'all already know. I think the shoe is dope. Look at that. Different swooshes, man. I think the shoe is dope. This is probably like the one I really, really wanted out of the whole entire pack. So, and I got these. It's crazy because I was one of the people that got like the early drop. So I should have been had my pair. FedEx just don't fuck with me for whatever reason. FedEx don't fuck with me. I don't know why not. Hey. Because they had like a little early drop like a day or two before it came out. It was like an early drop. And it sold out real quick. And then it dropped on the actual release day, which was like a few days later. So I should have been had my pair. But these are the Hot Lava Legacy 312s. I might go back and get the green ones. I forgot what they call. I know it's like Volt something. But I like those too. But anyways, man, don't forget. Like the video. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, steal, review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.